Oil pastel blending. The first thing you need to do is place a newspaper on your desk to allow for any fragments of the oil pastel to actually collect on here. And then when you're done doing your work, you'll actually take this up and throw this away. So to get started, the first thing you're gonna do on your paper is I need you to write your name. So you're gonna write your name on top. And then the class is BJ's second period. Okay, so the first thing you see is it says oil pastel blending. So you're gonna need your oil pastels and make sure that you have available paper towel because you need to clean each one every single time you use it. So the first thing it says here is fade color into white or gradually having it tint. So choose any color from your stack you have, and you're also gonna need white because it says to color into white. So I'm gonna take my white, and then I think I'm just gonna do maybe just an orange. That's just my preference. You can use any color you choose. Then you're going to clean it off. And you're going to start off with your color. Now you're going to get graded on neatness, as always, and no smudging. Start on the left side of the paper, and you're gonna move your color over. So notice the direction. I try not to do this too much, but I did it a little bit on the end, and you're gonna push it over. So you start off with a little bit of a heavier, and then you're gonna go a little bit softer to allow that to blend. So I'm lighter with my hand. So you see how I stop. Now I'm gonna grab my white, and now I'm going to overlap, and I'm going to blend them together. I'm not pressing super hard. So see how it's dirty? I can always rotate it because I really want more white here. And then you're gonna go ahead and push that orange over. You want your color to be smooth. You don't want to see all these little open white. You blend again. Okay, so the next one is fading two warm colors. So we talked about this already. The warm color, which one is warm and which one is cool. So you might need your color wheel to use as a reference if you forget. So think about warm colors are colors that are hot, and cool colors. So this is candy. So the warm colors are going to be on this side of the color wheel, and then the cool colors will be over here. So think of cool colors as like water and air, and like not necessarily air, but water in the sky, and this is like fire. So those are hotter. So you're going to choose two colors from here. So I'm going to choose red, and I'm going to choose orange. So I have my red, and I'm going to use this orange. So I'm going to start off with my dark. I'm just doing this line just because I want to have a crisp edge. And now I change my direction and I blend. Three analogous colors, three colors that are similar, that are the same. So analogous color would be these. They're all blue. And then you can also do all the shades of orange. So you have your choices. I'm going to do blue, but I'm going to start with my lightest and go to my darkest. Now fade to cool colors. So you faded 2 warm, now you're gonna do 2 cool colors. So I'm gonna do, now we try to stay, you know, closest on the color wheel. So if you would take a look at the color wheel, I wouldn't blend, you know, a green to a purple. If I did that, I would have to go from green to blue to blue violet to violet. So it would have to go. So you want to stay somewhat close. So I'm actually going to do the blue violet to the violet. And in order to do that, you first have to create the blue violet. So I'm going to do the violet. Okay, so the next part is color the leaf with a cool color. So looking at the color wheel, cool colors. I'm gonna choose green. So complementary colors are colors that are directly opposite each other. So I chose green. The complementary color, if I went straight across, is red. This one, you can just choose any color you want. It's up to you.